everyone, my name is Moesha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I keep my makeup on under my mask. And I'm going to share some tips with you on the things that I do to make sure my makeup doesn't transfer as much when I wear masks. And I hope they're helpful to you. Let me know in the comment below if they helped you. And please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And let's get started. So make sure you stay on top of your skincare. And if you want to know how I cleared my skin, I recently posted a video up here. So you can check that out in the eye. I just love wearing primer because I feel like it hides my pores and it just somewhat evens out my skin tone. Your whole face is not visible. It's mostly the eyes people see. Unless, of course, it's not like you're gonna be wearing a mask the whole time. There are times you do take it off. So that's why I'll be showing you my base makeup as well. And this base makeup is literally so, it doesn't even transfer. I know it's gimmicky to say, but it honestly doesn't transfer. It's all in the application, in the amount that you apply. Your eyes and your brows are the thing that's really visible when you wear a mask. That's the highlight, the spotlight goes to those areas. So you really want to make sure you focus on them when you're doing your makeup. Now my brows are looking a bit messy because I need to pluck the bottom right here. And this color is a transition color to me. You can barely see it, but it gives a little warmth to the face. I'm gonna use this shade on the lid. Basically right here, I'm just tapping it and gliding it ever so slightly. Because I don't recommend you go with a dewy foundation. It will be a sliding gooky mess, especially in the heat. Don't do it. So something that's water resistant and medium to full coverage is best. I only used one pump and it gave me a full coverage. So don't go more, because all you need is for it to even out your skin tone. And you don't want to go with a lot of layers, because having a mask on in the heat and on top you have layers of makeup on is not something you wish. I'm telling you this from experience. Don't do it. It feels like I was melting. That's how I felt like. I felt like I was melting. So this is how the skin looks. And this is a foundation and concealer, so it's 2-in-1. You can stop here, to be all honest. You can definitely stop here. cover, I'm just going to go a little bit with another concealer. While the concealer is sitting a little bit, I'm going to tightline. This is in the shade Translucent. So with the lashes and without the lashes, a big difference, right? You can always choose to wear mascara, that's fine too. But lashes really do give it an extra oomph to it. So I'll be doing the next eye now. See the difference eyelashes make? It's incredible. Now what I'm doing is I'm using the matte. It's okay. I'm using the Make Me Matte by E.L.F. And I'm using that powder to tap it on my face. And mind you, I haven't used setting spray yet, so this is with everything together. I'm just using a translucent powder to pack everything and set it. Then I'm going to go in with the setting spray. And what that does, it makes the foundation even more transfer proof. And I have a mask I'll be showing you. Like, I can actually lay down on my pillow and not be embarrassed for my makeup to transfer because that's how lightweight it is. And I'm going with the butt, the butt of the sponge so I can tap everything in. Alrighty. See, this is how it looks now. It's kind of, so this is the excess that I took off. I'm just going in with the brush again, but I haven't dipped it in the powder. I'm just using the leftover. And this is how the skin looks. And I absolutely love this mascara, especially for the bottom lashes. Do you see the difference? With the mascara and without. This is at the bottom lashes. It elongates so much. It's like, wow. And if you guys want to know what contacts I'm wearing, this is from Olens. And this is their Scandi collection. But I'll pin the video right here so you can look at that for reference. And this is the finished look. What do you think? Of course, you know it wouldn't be my type of video if I didn't do a close-up for you guys. So here it goes. Oh my god, this makeup looks so cute. It just widens the eye. And these lashes look amazing for $1. And if you're interested in the wig that I'm wearing, you know I don't glue my wigs, right? Just check out this video I'll pin up on how it initially looked like. Oh my god, this is such a look. Alright, let me wear the mask for you. Like, this is not the type of mask I usually wear. There we go. As you can see, there's not a lot of transfer. Like, there's some, but not a lot. Which is awesome. And you can still see the makeup. It's not bunched up. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up the video if you like it. Subscribe, that would really mean a lot to me. And ring that notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. And thank you for watching. Leave your comments down below. Let's chat. I like when we chat with each other in the comments section. It really builds up the community. So please don't be afraid to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!